Watch out this level for Tesla. If Tesla drop below this level, this will drop more. So what level is that? Today I will give you the insight from the chart and also this answer, and you can see it from the chart as well. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy, money mindset to help you make more, learn more. Okay, like, subscribe, share with your friend. So the first thing I want to share with you is this gap. This gap on 13th of November, basically. This gap, the lowest price of this gap is 424.5. So this is a support because this is a gap, okay? So if this candle or the next few days they drop below this level, this support will be disappear. So they will become a resistance. So something you need to be aware of. If you have my indicator called YM Club Fast, which is the red line, they tell you this signal they will come back down from December 26th. Okay, and since then, do we have any buy signal? The last video I already mentioned, we don't have a confirm for the buy signal because they didn't go above the red. And you know what? The money is not catching up. The money is still weak. So we need the only one method we need to change the trend is the money. Okay, and we buy when they change the trend. We are not buying on the halfway. We are not buying at the end. We're buying when they change the trend. Okay, you see how to change the trend. The first thing you can look at is the money. They go above zero. It's strong market. YM big buy, big volume trader. So this means buying. The green candle is buying. The red candle is selling. So when the green candle go above the red, this is a strong fund signal. The other one is YM cheapest, the last this indicator to tell you, hey, the institution holding is above this average. So you can buy in, okay? But we combine the signal. We're not buying in, hey, because the money come in, hey, because the institution signal, there is a fund. We want to buy when they change the trend because the money is always go before the trend. Okay, just imagine a big boat. You need the engine, you need the fuse, right? So money is the fuse. So this green candle is very important to tell you exactly where the big institution buying. So we are not following on the first day because they have unlimited money, right? We are not. So we buy when they go above the red and when they have this signal. Or when we buy, when they change the red, at the same time they have this signal. This is a very good signal to tell you this is a bottom price. Okay, so every single time in any kind of big bottom, basically they have this kind of green candles because institution they are buying. And remember, when they happen to have the green, this is not the beginning. Sometimes they can continue to drop, right? That's why we buy when they go above the blue. Okay, you can add your position here, but the final thing is the blue change the direction. Is it clear? Another thing is, so with the gap method, we can guess this is a support. So right now, today is 0.31% up. They just stop right away. Even the wick, they stop right on the support. But if you have my indicator, we are not using this traditional method. We are using at least one club fast, one club long. Okay, minimum. They have to go above the red line. And right now, you tell me from the chart, honestly, have they gone above the red line? The answer is no. Second, we look at the money. Hey, the money, do we have above zero here for the Y and big buy? No. And how about institution? We don't have entry, and we don't have a red bar above this purple line. So the answer so far, I don't know end of the day, but so far this moment, the answer is no. I make this video because one of the comments say, hey, make one video. I want to know the today update. That's why I make it specially for you. But I also tell you, don't rush. Okay, we want the signal happen, then we buy. It's never too late to buy because we have a signal, very instant. Like they tell you right away where is the turn of the bull market. So we are not rushed to, hey, let's buy right now, unless you have a lot of money. Otherwise, I don't recommend. Okay, so I want to buy right before they go a big raise. Okay, another thing is maybe we turn very soon, but not yet. We look at the signal, okay? Another thing is always money go before the trend. For example, here, when we look at here, let's say we don't look at YM chip entry. We look at YM big buy here first. First thing, you see this green candle, they go above this purple line first, right? This purple line is also their average. So minimum, the money have to increase first. The stock they go increase and people wow get so excited. But remember, the trend go afterward. Okay, imagine a big boat, right? Like imagine Titanic or something, a big ship. When they change the direction, they need to put the fuels first and then take time to change the trend. Does it make sense? Especially the big capital stock, not the small one, but big capital, they need more money to change the trend. Not just 1 million, not just 2 million, but in proportion, unless your stock is less than $1 or less than it's a few dollar stock, then it's easier to change. But for the big stock like Tesla, you need a lot of volume to change it. Okay. So 1 day volume is quite easily go up to 60 or even 90. Like this day is 90, okay, or 36 million the volume. So it's quite big volume for Tesla to change the trend. So far, look at the money. It look better, but not good enough for us to take the action. Okay, we want them to be good enough. We better to buy it right on the day, on the first day of the race. Does it make sense to you? If you like this video, click like, subscribe, share with a friend. I'm going to make another fantastic video for you. See you next time. Bye bye. Oh, by the way, if you want to have this indicator, you can click the link in the description. There's a link. You can buy this indicator and you can have it forever. One more thing. Look at the YM up down. I forget to mention. This is my latest indicator. Is including inside the bundle, the indicator bundle. So basically, they give you another bonus, another signal to tell you this is a downtrend the beginning, this is the uptrend of the beginning, this is a downtrend. So you can combine it to use it together. Okay, so when they have both, when they go above the red and they have the up, okay, then okay, one more thing, we still need to look for the money. Is it go above the zero? Is it above this average line? If yes, go ahead. If only there's one up, okay, let's say there's up, they go above, but the money is not catching up, I don't recommend you to buy. Why? Because when the money is not catching up, it means the race is not a big race. It could be a small race, like they come back down very easily. Okay, for example here, there's one up, they go above the red, people so excited, people buy in. But if you look at the money, they did not really go above this. When they have the up, the money is still going downward. You see here, and here the YM big buy is under zero. So do we have a time? Do we have any signal to tell you to buy? No, because we need both. We need money and the trend. Does it make sense? Okay. And so far we don't have an up signal yet. So let's see what happened. And of course, I will update here for you. And click like, subscribe, share with your friend, and put on the bell if you don't have any notification. Okay. Because sometimes I do same day notification for the buy or sell signal. By the way, we don't recommend you to do any trade. This channel is only for the education, for you to tell you how to look at the pattern, how to look at the chart, to give you more information, how to read the chart. So today I mentioned the gap and also mentioned my indicator. If you like it, click like, click like. Only few people click like, I know. So the like number actually encouraged me to make more video to share with you guys. So see you next video. Bye.